Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of June 13th, 2025. I just realized it's Friday the 13th today.
Ooh, a little spooky.
My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
This is a series where we go through the newsletter that gets released every Friday, go out into our studio and show you that fabric in person. So without further ado, let's begin.
First up, I want to highlight B&B Kind from Timeless Treasures. This is a sale that is currently running. With that, we have the angled up kits, which are regularly $79.96, but are on sale today for $59.96. Next up, I want to say the 10-inch squares, which are regularly $48.96, on sale for $31.96. The fat quarter bundles are regularly $44.96, but they're on sale for $32.96. Also, there are plenty of 1-yard cuts that go along with this group too. All of those are priced at $9.96. Patterns in the B&B Kind collection include florals, bees, and butterflies in a color scheme of blue, yellow, and cream. So if you're interested in checking out these deals, make sure to grab these deals with B&B Kind while the sale is buzzing.
Next group we have from Moda is called Buon Natale. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. That means Merry Christmas in Italian, so this is a holiday group. We've got stuff such as cross-stitch patterns, Christmas Village table runner kits, Christmas Village apron kits, a 14-piece fat quarter bundle, as well as the assorted yardage. Yes, it is. We've got patterns of florals, winter buds, star blooms, and evergreen blenders, and colors of red, green, and cream. So make sure to make it a Merry Christmas with Buon Natale.
Next up, I want to highlight the Star-Spangled Beauty from Maywood Studios. We are featuring the ladder quilt kits, the Kimberbell pattern and machine embroidery book, the embellishment kits, the needle punch kits, the needle minders, and the assorted yardage that goes with that. The patterns in that include florals, tiny hearts, stars, cherries, bows, and petals. There's some gingham, all in colors of blue, red, aqua, pink, and cream. Go celebrate your love of summer with Star-Spangled Beauty.
We've got a adorable fall-themed collection called Hello Pumpkin from Henry Glass. This is featuring the Farmer's Stardust quilt kits, the 24-inch panels, as well as the full collection of yardage. We've got patterns of pumpkins, foxes, raccoons, tulips, vines, and blenders, and colors of orange, brown, and beige. So make sure to fall for Hello Pumpkin.
I
almost actually fell. That was crazy.
Next up, I want to highlight Fear Factory from Studio E, kind of following along with the Friday the 13th vibes we have going on. With this, we are featuring the Halloween Spook quilt kits, the 36-inch and the 24-inch panels, as well as the full yard collection. As explained before, this is a Halloween group, so you can expect different patterns such as skulls, cats, crows, spiders, haunted houses, and roses. Very Halloween themed, I would say, with colors of orange, black, gray, and white. Go let your skin crawl with ideas of how you would use Fear Factory this Halloween.
Next, we have a sale on a quilt kit called French Chains from Northcott. This is using the French Revolution collection. This is originally priced at $78.96, but we have it on sale for $49.96. A huge deal.
That is huge.
So make sure to declare your independence from full prices using the French chain quilt kits.
Next up, I want to highlight one of our pre-orders that is hot, going quick. This one is the Tannenbaum patch box quilt kit. This is featuring the Classic Christmas from Riley Blake. They're scheduled to ship out July/August, so somewhere in that time frame should be when we receive them and turn them back around to y'all. These kits are priced at $137.96 each. Make sure to go reserve your spot on Santa's nice list by pre-ordering these box quilt kits.
You guys loved these 1-yard wonders and they are going like crazy, so we have to stock even more fresh picks at just $9.96 a yard. These are pre-cut, easy to grab, and full of personality. There is no cutting table required. However, multiples will not be continuous, so if you get 2 yards, those 2 will not be continuous, but each one is a little gem on their own. Make sure to buzz over to our website and check out these 1-yard cuts.
Next up, we are now in our section of Comment of the Week. This is where we go to last week's video and pull a comment from there to put on this week's episode. So with that being said, I want to highlight Barbara2281, who said, "Hey guys, thanks for another fun video. I just got the Mr. Bones Sews tote bag panel. It's fantastic. Can't wait to put it together. Have a safe weekend. See you next Friday." First, I want to thank you so much, Barbara, for always being with us and commenting on our videos. We love that you enjoy all these videos and you come back every week. Thank you for your order. We're glad that you enjoy the Mr. Bones Sews tote bag.
I do too. I love that group.
I hope it gets put together properly and everything for you. But yeah, I want to thank you for being a loyal customer of ours and keeping up with all our videos. If you want to be featured in next week's comment of the week, make sure to drop your comments down below and you might be selected.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week of Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment down below. We might pick that for comment of the week. And also make sure to follow all of our social media links. Those will be down below. And with all that being said, we will see you guys next week for another episode. Bye.
Thanks for watching.